Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel with another day and another video guys. In this video I'm going to share some amazing tips to earn money online. So let's start the video without wasting further time. Guys, if you did not subscribe to our channel, let's go ahead and smash the subscribe button, because I'm sharing valuable and important tips and tricks and daily videos to earn money online. Guys, I'm wasting my time for you guys, so I think it's your responsibility to also support me. If you did not support me, then I will stop creating these videos guys. So this method is completely free and this is available worldwide. Now guys, I do want to tell you that you can make a lot of money by doing this, but you can easily make a lot of money just by using Facebook Messenger, and it's completely insane how much money you can earn by doing this. It's completely free to do and it's easy to do. It's simple to understand guys, and a lot of people are doing this method to earn money online. The only thing you guys need to do is to follow up this procedure and follow up my voice. Maybe this method brings a lot of value to your life or other life, so don't forget to share. Make sure that you watch full video guys, so you can fully understand how these two websites can work. It's definitely worth your time, and this is literally a new method that haven't shown on my channel. Now before we continue on, subscribe the channel, and if you like making online videos and if you want to change your life guys, you know I post different methods literally every single day, teaching people how to make money online, how to start your own business, and how to create life. So guys, I know that it's definitely great content right here, but anyway guys, let's start the video. So the first website we're going to talk about is Venable Research. Now I have to talk about this website in the past, but what we're going to talk about is a little bit different on this website. We are not going to talk about the surveys on this website, but this is completely insane. It is just free, and guys, in just a different way that you can earn money by using websites. So there are so many different ways to make money on Venable Research. There are so many different ways and surveys to reading emails and to get paid just by reading emails and watching videos. So there are a lot of different ways you can use to earn money online on Venable Research. But basically guys, I'm gonna show you exactly where you need to go if you don't know about their surveys. And I do want to tell you that this is one of the highest paid survey website out there, so this is definitely a great platform to use just in general, just not for this method that I am about to show you today. But I do want to show you guys how much they actually pay. So there's over 100 of paid servers added daily and over 7 million plus members on this platform, and you can get paid with cash. There's no point involved, it's just straight cash straight to your PayPal account. You can take these surveys at home or on the go, and I do want to tell you guys that these surveys, they pay up to $50 per survey. So this is completely insane right here, just that alone. So that high-speed surveys in the industry access to hundreds of daily surveys or paid survey every single day, and you can complete these surveys on any device. So it's very simple and easy to understand, and you can get paid through PayPal, and you can do any type of service that you want to do, from your politics and the cars, truck, sports, home involvement, and you know any type of niche that you want to do and that you feel comfortable doing, whichever on one that you want to do, you are interested in, right? So that's the cool thing about finding research. So I just wanted you talk a little bit about this website before we continue on and show you exactly where to go, where you want to go guys. All right, so where you want to go, you want to go to all the way up here. Basically guys, you want to click on the ways to earn money, but basically where you want to go is get paid $5 for every friend that you refer on this platform. Guys, basically that's a lot of people, I mean a lot of money to earn just by referring people, especially on a platform like this service based platform. So this is a lot of money right here. You guys earning $5 plus per referral, so that definitely worth it. So it's all you have to click on sign up right here, because that's the way you are going to be sign up. What we are gonna be talking about in this video about, but like I said guys, make sure you sign up for this platform anyway to get paid for the high paying service, because like I said, you can get paid. a lot of money by doing these simple surveys that are easy and very easy to complete, and you can just get paid a lot of money. Now guys, if you want to sign up for this platform, like I said, just click right here and sign up right here. You will get your link and everything. You refer and you refer link, so you can promote that link on different, I'm going to show you exactly the way to promote that link, but anyway guys, you could sign up right here, email address, first name, last name, city, department, etc, everything right here there. Alright, so guys, after you sign up, you just want to click the check mark right there and then click continue. Just sign up right now. I do want to tell you guys, before we continue on, I have another website for you guys that will even be more worldwide than this website, and that you can actually make a lot of money. So make sure that to stay tuned at the end and don't forget to subscribe. But as I said in the thumbnail, that you use Facebook Messenger, and a lot of people are using this to contact their family, friends. It's completely free to use right, so you can contact different people, contact different business partners and whatever, and express yourself with direction or whatever people do on Facebook. Message or write, share your stories and keep it with your friends and connect people with businesses. So this is a great platform to use. Now I do want to tell you guys, this method is work for you and it's completely free. You want to refer people, linking, just get up people to click on it and sign up for the platform, and you can earn a lot of money by doing this. Now this is an easier way to do it for Facebook Messenger, and you can do this through other social media platforms. You can easily do this by running ads. See you in the next video. Take care.